Alright guys, today is Monday here in the Philippines. I think it's May 1st. Anyways, today is Labor Day here. And we're actually going to go up to the museum here in the old Air Force Base, the Clark Museum. But Monday they're closed, so that didn't happen. Anyways, we're at the park now. I've been kind of cooped up for the past couple days, so got the kids, got the neighbor kid. They're out playing, and I'm just walking around now. I'm going to show you around this little park here. All right. have a little snack shop here. If you're thirsty, go in and get some water, some soda. You know, snacks, chips. I've seen some pastries in there. I asked if I could video. She said no. For some reason, they get shy when somebody breaks out a camera. But I always like to ask, get permission. But yeah, if you get thirsty, hungry, or whatever, they have a little shop here. You can go in and grab something real quick. Uh-oh. Looks like somebody found some halo halo.
Want some?
No, thank you. But yeah, they have a halo halo, what? Right out of the back of that van, right? Right out of the back of the van, they're selling halo halo. You guys, you see this, what do you call it, the monkey bars here. Anyways, I can't do it. I think I got 2 and Louisa got 2, but Hannah Grace here is an expert at it. Oh, to be a kid again. Good job. From what Louisa was saying, there was actually a bunch of boys here too trying out the monkey bars, and they couldn't get across, and Hannah Grace, she showed them how it was done. Alright guys, yeah, as you walk around and look at these airplanes and helicopters and stuff, there's a little description of what they are, when they came to the Philippines, years and things like that. Let me see, they have 1, 2, 3, 5 aircrafts here. Fighter jets, choppers, and they even have 2 anti-aircraft guns here. But yeah, it's a pretty nice little park here. Like I said, a lot of people just come here, hang out, bring the kids, play. Got people with picnics going on. A lot of selfies going on here. But anyways, it's a nice little park. If you're ever up in this area, check it out. Like I said, it's up here at the old Clark Air Force Base. Right, I guess it's, I don't know how to get here. I just kind of got here. Just kind of know where it's at. But anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. Give me some thumbs up, thumbs down. Choice is always yours. Leave some comments, and I'll do my best to get back to you. All right, we'll talk to you later.